My name is Callie Viscato. I go to AWAC, which stands for Annapolis West Education Centre, and my project name is Zepaquweveex Wind. We are part of the renewable energy category in the Brilliant Blue Challenge. We had this model that we had done with a bunch of different turbines, so we decided we wanted to kind of reuse that model. So we 3D printed new blades for the turbines and we added that to the model. And then after that, we decided that we wanted to add bird monitoring as a component to our project, and then we brought it to this Brilliant Blue World competition. Some of my favorite parts was honestly just getting this whole experience because it has been such a knowledgeable and fun journey to work through. I really loved even just coming here to the Brilliant Blue World competition at the Bedford Institute of Oceanography and just see all the work that they've been doing here, all the displays, and I loved seeing all the other teams presenting and showing their brilliant ideas. Some advice that I would give to other people who wanted to participate in this challenge, or even just in the science fair in general, is no matter what time frame you have or what idea you have, there is a way to make it work. I kind of want to share that lesson with other people because it really doesn't matter. If you try hard and you work hard, you're going to do a great job. From this experience, I know even just my awareness of everything that's going on in the ocean economy, it really has grown, and I feel like I'm walking away with a greater understanding of everything with that. I feel like I have also learned and discovered a lot more about coding and 3D printing than I did at the start of this competition, which is really amazing to see. And also, I've learned a lot more about just science fairs and science projects in general and working with a team. And so that has been a really knowledgeable and wonderful experience for me.